Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to set up your chart of accounts in QuickBooks. If you want clean books for day one, then you're going to need to set up your chart of accounts right away. So let me show you how to do that the right way. Step one is to understand what chart of account is. Your chart of account is a complete list of all the categories you use to track your money, like income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Think of it as the foundation of your accounting system. Step 2. Access the chart of accounts. Click the gear icon under your company and select chart of accounts. You're going to see all your current accounts listed. Step 3 is to add a new account. Click new at the top right corner, and you're going to need to fill out the account type, detail type, name, and of course optional, you can add a description and opening balance. Click save and close when done. Step 4 is to edit or delete accounts. To make changes, just click the drop down arrow next to any account and then select edit or make inactive to hide it. Note that some default accounts can't be deleted, but they can be renamed. Step 5 is to organize and review. Use the Run Report button to see activity in each account. Group similar accounts together for easy tracking, like keeping all marketing expenses under one category. A pro tip is to avoid creating too many unnecessary accounts. Keep it simple, aligned with your tax reporting needs or industry standard. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.